Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, July 13th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick message for anyone serious about building income from home, particularly using direct mail marketing. I have 9 reports plus 2 bonus reports that will help you become a direct mail expert. All right, you can get those for $20 right now. There'll be a link down below this video for you to check out the flyer. You can send me cash, check, money order, or you can use Cash App or Venmo. And if you use Cash App or Venmo, just make sure you leave your address in the note so I know where to mail your package to. This is a physical product, okay? You're gonna get a package in the mail from me. But there's 9 reports with 2 bonus reports, and it's going to help you become a direct mail expert. Some of the reports are, there's 21 envelope tricks, 110 ways to improve your direct mail response, 24 principles of direct mail marketing. There's a 12 ways to reduce your postage, and the list goes on and on. You know, I purchased this because I thought, you know, it wouldn't hurt for 20 bucks. And honestly, I wasn't expecting too much from it, but I can tell you that it's for the $20, you get way more than that in value. Okay. There's a lot of stuff that I read that I didn't even know or wouldn't have even thought of. And, it comes with reprint rights as well. So you can actually go and then resell this yourself if you want to. So it's a way to make some, you know, you're not going to make a lot of money. I figure after printing it out and mailing it to the customer, I'll probably make about 15 or 16 bucks out of every $20 sale. But it's something that if you're already involved in direct mail, you can add this to your envelopes if you mail out envelopes, or if you're just starting out and looking for a home business, this is something that will get you on the right path to becoming a direct mail expert. All right, so it's just a fun little thing. But the key is that, you know, if you buy this, you have to not only take the time to go through the material, but you have to implement what you learn, right? That's how you get results from this stuff. You can't just order it and let it sit on your desk and never go through it. And you shouldn't sell it without going through it. You know, you want to become a product of the product. So you want to go through it, take what you learn from it and implement it into your regular daily strategies and put it to work, right? And then offer it, if you want to, you can resell it and offer it as a little bonus in your envelopes or whatever. You know, I'm putting together a whole bunch of envelopes today. I just had to run up here to the store really quickly to get a few things. And then I'm going to head back home, finish up my envelopes. I'm going to watch the Philadelphia Phillies and the San Diego Padres play. I think that comes on at, I don't know, 4:10 or 4:30. So I'm going to watch that and then just finish up my envelopes. But I'm going to include this in my envelope now. You know, why not? It's a cool little opportunity, and it's valuable information for 20 bucks, you know, and it'll help people. It'll help those who actually, like I said, go through the material and implement the strategies in there. But there's something there for everybody. It doesn't matter if you're a newbie or a veteran marketer like myself. You will learn some things in this information. And like I said, it's a physical packet that you will get in the mail, sent out by me. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to keep this video short just because normally I don't do a video on Sundays. I do a short or a reel. But I like this little, these reports here, and I just wanted to share it with everybody. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.